In this video, we're gonna make the half double crochet. And this is how you do it. Insert your hook, yarn over, and then insert your hook again in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, and 3. Third chain, this is the one. We're gonna insert my hook in that chain, yarn over, pull a loop, and now we have 3 loops on the hook. Now I'm gonna yarn over again and pull through all the loops on my hook. Let's do it again. Yarn over, and now we're gonna insert the hook in the next chain. Inserting the hook there, yarn over, pull a loop, and I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And this is how we're gonna make the half double crochet. Let's do it again. Yarn over and pull a loop, go through the 3 loops. Let's keep doing until we get comfortable doing the stitch, right? See? And as I said before, I hold my project like close to where I'm gonna do the stitch, and that makes it easier. Find the chain, insert the hook again. And it's gonna be more difficult at the beginning, but once you have more rows, it's easier to make. This is how you do it, and you can go ahead and make them all till the end. Here we are at the end of the row, and then what we're gonna make to make the second row is just to make chain 1, turn your work, and we're gonna yarn over, insert the hook in the base of the chain, the very first stitch. We're going to insert the hook, we're going to yarn over, pull the loop, and again 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. And that's the first half double crochet of the second row. Then we're going to keep going, yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, then yarn over and pull through all the loops. Again, yarn over, insert the hook, pull a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops. And this is the second row of half double crochet. Keep going and I meet you in the end. Okay, so here we are at the end of the project. At the end of the row, I'm sorry, and we're gonna make our last stitch in that in the last one over here. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull a loop, and yarn over through all the loops again. Here we have 2 rows of half double crochet, and this is how you make your half double crochet.